In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the fog light cover on this Honda Civic. It goes at the bottom of the front bumper in place of the fog lights if your vehicle does not have any. Let's get started. This cover is removable through the front. Actually, if you're very careful, you can stick a screwdriver or a plastic trim tool in there and pop it right off. Looking at the new one, you'll see there are just 4 little plastic tabs holding it on. That's it. So what I will do is I'm going to stick my tool in here to see how it wants to move. Looks like at the top, if you stick the screwdriver right here, you can pry that plastic tab down and out, hold pressure on it. Do the same on the bottom. And it pops right out. If there's a lot of debris here, clean it up so that the new one can go in properly. Take the new cover, line it up, and press it into position. Once you feel that it's snapped in place, pull on it to make sure it's going to stay. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.